Hi guys, and welcome back to Life with Vicx. So as you will have seen, I've been travelling around Mexico for a couple of weeks now. I've seen some amazing things like swimming with dolphins in Puerto Escondido, Day of the Dead Festival in Oaxaca. Woo! And most recently, I've been spending some time in Palenque visiting some waterfalls and some Mayan ruins. In this episode, I head to Merida to see the beautiful old town, see some flamingos in the wild, and swim in my first cenote. However, I am waking up to my first day in a sunbed next to the hostel pool after arriving at 4 a.m. from my night bus. Good morning and welcome to Merida. I got the overnight bus, as you will have seen, from Palenque to here. It was really comfortable, slept really well, to be honest with you. There wasn't many people on the bus, so I had loads of room to fully spread out and stuff. I basically got to the hostel. Obviously it was so early, the sun hadn't even rose yet, so I fell asleep on the sun loungers with my towel over me and my neck pillow on, so I looked like a right sight this morning. Anyway, so I've just brought myself to a cafe now, just having some breakfast. I ordered some French toast and it was absolutely humongous, and to be fair, my coffee's pretty humongous too. So I'm just going to finish this off and then I'm going to go on the free walking tour. I'm finally actually going to make use of a day after a night bus. I don't feel too bad at the minute. I probably will flag later. But yeah, I'm going to finish my coffee now and then let's go on the walking tour.
About the education, no? Wait, I say something about that, okay? Open the door for you and you have the chance to take a picture.
The chaya plum.
Then I have this toy with me, tropical almond, spice between fruits. I have another idea about tropical almond. About the case of a restaurant. Recording that menu is about from that corner to that corner. That means from the container. Is it worth to try the most?
Oh, it's so funny. Hang on, look at this. I just went to film you and look what's behind you. So basically my mum's getting all my Christmas tree decorations and she's putting them on the tree on FaceTime. And she's poured me a glass of Baileys for it as well. Oh yeah, yeah. Hostel doing a cocktail making course, but I dropped my alcohol all over the table, so I had to lick it off the table, which is slightly embarrassing considering I've not actually met anybody yet. But I met two girls in my hostel dorm and we've actually come to this place called Merida 60, and basically it's like loads of different restaurants and you can order from whichever one you want and then you pick it up when your little buzzer goes off. I got myself a cheeky little crispy chicken burger because every time I go to a burger place I look for the crispy chicken. There's never a crispy chicken and that is my jam. I love a crispy chicken burger. But we're just having a few beers, gonna have something to eat and then who knows? So we've ordered litres Just for context. Size man. Good morning guys, from another day here in Merida. So this morning, to be honest with you, it's been a bit of a lazy start, but the plan today is probably just gonna have a bit of a pool day, to be honest with you. There's a nice pool here at this hostel. So I'm just gonna get in my bikini now and I'm gonna go and sit out by the pool. The girls are doing the same thing, the girls that I met in the room last night, so that'll be nice to just chill with them. It is so nice and cold. From a completely different change of scenery. So today I'm at the beach. The last 2 days has kind of been like drinking and stuff like that. So the last time I checked in with you, I was having a pool day, and then we'd kind of done like, you know, we went for dinner that evening, and then yesterday what did we do yesterday? Oh yeah. So obviously we watched the football the last 2 days. So the first game was the Argentina game versus Netherlands for the World Cup, and then yesterday watched the England-France game. Unfortunately we lost, so we went to a pool party to commiserate, and it was really good. So it's actually a really local like pool party. So one of the girls that we were traveling with, Lulu, she just left this morning, but she had a friend who lives here, so we were able to go to like their parties and stuff like that. So that was really interesting. But today, this morning, we woke up and we've got a bus to Celestun, which is basically where you come to see the flamingos. So we kind of thought that the bus might be an hour and a half, 2 hours, and it was taken 3 hours. So we've now finally arrived and it's 3 o'clock. I think it's going to cost us 400 pesos, and apparently we get to see pelicans. We're going to go over a cenote, so my first cenote in Mexico. Can't swim in it though. And then we will see flamingos and stuff. So super excited about that. So yeah, we're just going to wait, and then yeah, I guess I'll check in with you when we finally get on a boat. Guy's gone to see if he can see any flamingos. Apparently there was loads here this morning. Honestly, I've never seen so many bugs in my life. bitten to death by mosquitoes, and I think I'm having a little bit of an allergic reaction because they're like this, absolutely massive. Yeah, let's take a little video of my van to show you how big they are. So we've just tried to go into the natural spring to soothe it a little bit, but we'll see. I'm still covered. Yum! Bon appetit! Best margarita ever. If there wasn't all these mosquitoes, I'd never leave. Take 2. Best daiquiri ever. If there wasn't all these mosquitoes, I'd never leave. Good morning! Well, it's not really morning anymore, it's kind of afternoon, but today I am doing a cenote tour with the hostel. It's cost me 550 pesos to do the cenotes and to include lunch. So basically, woke up this morning, we left at 9, we waited for a collectivo, so then we got a collectivo here, and then we got these like really random tuk-tuks, which was pretty cool. And I had breakfast at the hostel for 100 pesos as well. So we just arrived at our first cenote, and I do believe that we're going to 3 today. So I've got my life jacket on, which is way too big. And yeah, I think the cenote here is literally in the middle of this person's, I don't even know what you call this, like a bar type thing. So yeah, we're gonna go in now. I don't know if I want to jump or not. I did it! Oh wow. That was fun. Yeah. Like I said, my life jacket's a bit big. Cenote 1, check. Floated, check. Jump, which means little. So here we go. Number 3, this one's a bigger jump. So I'm now back at the hostel. Today was a great day. So after we finished in the 3 cenotes, we went and just grabbed some food, basically from the place where we got our life jackets from. And then we just got the collectivo back. Come back, showered, been to the bank, got some money out, and all that kind of life admin stuff that you do before you get on a bus. So yeah, I've had a great time here in Merida. You know, I've done the football, I've been to all you can drink bars. So the bars that I've actually been to the last couple of days, they were 100 pesos entry, and it's an open bar, which was really, really good and really cheap. And I've done the walking tour, I've seen the flamingos. So basically I've done absolutely everything that I wanted to do, which is absolutely great. I am, however, going to be moving on tomorrow. I'm going to be going to Holbox for a couple of days just to chill out and relax. So I am going to end this video here. So if you did like it, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I will see you when I arrive in Holbox, which will be the first kind of beach destination that I'm actually going to chill on the beach, because Puerto Escondido is way too hot. So yeah, I will see you when I get there in the morning. Bye.